Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've got a BMW and you've got the sat-nav cradle already pre-installed on your motorbike, then this might be the best CarPlay screen on the market for you. This is the B7 from CarPlay Motorcycle, and today we'll unbox it. I'll show you just how easy it is to fit, and we'll go through some of the features that this awesome bit of kit has. Okay, just before we unbox it, guys, if you do end up buying one of these or want to buy one of these, check out the description to this video because there are some awesome discount links there for you to check out. So hopefully we'll save you a few pennies. But just look at this box it comes in. Really, really nice design. On the back there, you've got some of the features. So it does TPS if you want it. Obviously, it's super waterproof and all those good things. So let's get this thing unboxed. And just to note, I have already unboxed it, so the screen did come with a nice protection on. Now, this is actually available in two sizes, 6-inch or 7-inch. As always, I'd always recommend going bigger. So this is the 7-inch version here, and it is just awesome. It is such a big screen. So, you know, when you're out there riding, you can take a quick glance at it and you'll have all that information crystal clear and obviously in the biggest screen possible. So, as I've alluded to, it simply clips on. I'll show you a quick clip of me at BMW doing this now, and I was just absolutely amazed. If I wanted a CarPlay screen and I had the cradle on my BMW already installed, then I'd be getting this all day long. Right guys, so here's the device and here's how you install it. So if you've got a cradle, this is genuinely genius what they've come up with here. You don't need to wire anything in at all. All you do, you roll that in there like that, hit the button, it's locked in, and as you can see the screen will come on. If you've already paired it with your phone, which I have, it will start up straight away on this screen, and as you can see it loads up as so. So that's how you install it, job done. Okay guys, so as you saw, super easy to install. You literally click it in and you're ready to go. I've just removed this panel here, which has space for an SD card and also a USB-C charging or USB-C port, which is going to allow us to have a look at this from the comfort of my home. So the boot up screen is really cool. It's got some key information there. It tells you what's going on in terms of your connections. And just while that connects to my phone, have a look at it. I mean, it's super clear, really nice resolution on it, obviously, and away you go, already connected. So obviously, if you haven't had a CarPlay screen before, they're great. It mirrors your phone in essence, and it gives you the ability to kind of use those essential apps that you will do, you know, when you're out on the road. Particularly if you've got a car, you can listen to your music, you can speak to Siri to make an emergency call if you need to. Obviously, you've got your maps coming up there, which is nice and clear on this big screen. The screen as well is really sensitive. It feels really nice to use, and yeah, just a real quality product. Now, if we go into the home screen here, which is accessed through here, if you click this button right here, this actually will mirror what your bike's doing. So it will tell you all these bits of information. So you've got your range, your temperature, lean angle and all that good stuff. Plus obviously your revs and your speed and everything like that. Your tyre pressure's there, but it's just a really nice screen because obviously if you've got your TFT BMW screen already having this information on, but you just want it a little bit higher where the cradle is on your bike, then it gives you that option. I just think it's a nice option to have. If you click through to this screen, again, you get some key stats on your bike and easily navigate back to the home screen. In terms of brightness, it is at its full brightness at the minute, and it is really bright. And in fact, that's made it a bit better actually on camera, hasn't it? So we'll keep the brightness there. It's still really clear at this brightness, but I have to admit I would have it on full brightness if I was out using it. So in the settings, you've got the ability to set automatic brightness limits, so it's nice and visible at all times, tire pressure tests, all that good stuff, and it's just a really nice device. I mean, to be honest, for someone that has a BMW without a dock, I'm actually looking to get one installed on my bike because this just, the convenience of being able to clip it on and clip it off particularly just for a safety and anti-theft point of view, I think this is a brilliant option. As I say, guys, there are links in the description that have some really good discounts on this product at the moment, and I think there's some time sensitive ones, but they do give you up to 30% off. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you like this bit of tech, because it is just awesome. And yeah, good luck. Let me know if you buy one and what you think of it when you get home. Great product. Really impressed with it. Hope to catch you in the next one, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe. And also, yeah, we'll be doing some more bike reviews, hopefully when the weather dries out a bit. Stay safe and all, guys. See you in the next one.